This is something new. This is called the Unboxing Deconstructed. This is the Holystone HS600 Morefly kit. I've already flown the regular H600, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the unboxing. I'll show you some of that video at key points, but for the most part, I'm going to show you what comes in the Morefly kit and give you the highlights, the important things that you want to know about this, all in one video. Okay, so let's take a look what comes in with the Morefly package. I will tell you this is a 4K drone. This is a hefty drone. This is no, I'm under 250 grams, you don't have to register it. This is a serious piece of equipment. So first off, let's say it comes in a really nice carrying case, which I find fabulous because so many of us are going to want to use this when we go on vacation or go trips or you go to the beach, and it is just so nice that you could put all of this in this one clear, concise package. Let's take a look at what's actually inside of this package. Okay, so with this kit, we have an extra set of blades. Hopefully you won't need those. It is so rare that even with me doing crazy stuff, I ever need those. It's a good thing. But it's a good thing that you have them available to you. Here is the drone itself. I'm gonna make you wait a moment to see this and talk about it. Let me hide this here. Here is one LiPo battery. Here's two LiPo batteries. A third LiPo battery. That is a lot of value in this Morefly kit. Obviously, it's in the name, Morefly. You would expect that you would be able to take advantage of flying more using this kit. That is the remote right there. Instruction manual. So here is the remote. Like I told you, I've already flown this. Familiar with Holystone products, you've seen similar remotes to this. It is a very conventional remote, yet it does have all those key features you really want. I think it's sleek and nice looking. As much as this looks like a DJI remote where your phone would go here, this is really just, these are just handles for you to hold it. Obviously the FPV gets mounted up here. Your conventional controls include your sticks, your return to home, your start the photo, start the video, antennas, and your gimbal controls. All the normal things that you would expect are here and in the places that you would expect. Very conventional, very solid, very good. I really did enjoy that. Okay, so I have not seen this before in one of these Holystone kits, but look at that. It comes with a really nice size landing pad. That is, I didn't even realize it was here. That is a super value add. These are really important, especially when you're flying from grass where the blades can kind of get caught and dragged down in the grass, or if it's sand or something like that that you're going to spray around. That's a big advantage to have those. Let's take a look at the drone real quick. Okay, so here's the drone. Comes with these like kind of cool mounts to keep the blades where they're supposed to be. Now, as I said, this thing is absolutely gigantor, a beast, and so good. I flew this. It's obviously 4K. It has 2-axis stabilization, not a full 3, but 2-axis stabilization on the gimbal, as well as, let me show you what the camera looks like. Here's the camera. So it has 2-axis stabilization as well as built-in electronic image stabilization. I did find it, obviously it has ground sensing. It was so good to fly. Now, this is not a bristling with technology drone, but at the same time, if you are like an advanced beginner or an intermediate and you're starting to really care about your image quality, the quality of the flight, the overall video that you're creating or the still images that you're creating, this was such a steady platform to get great images, great video, tons of fly time, 3 batteries, and they're nice big heavy batteries. I mean, you can really fly well. I tested this in some whacked out wind and it did great in that. The return to home worked well. All of those core features really are very sorted out on this. You're looking for a really, really nice platform to move up from like one of those beginner toy drones to something a little more advanced, but you're not ready to go crazy diving into the wild stuff. You cannot get a more solid basic platform than this. It really is very good. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.